If you were to ask me, I would say I'm not surprised that you're experiencing a lot of issues right now on the Boom live streaming app. In fact, it has been expected from day one. Right now, when you try to do your facial authentication, you receive a message like this that says your facial authentication failed. Finally, you met the minimum withdrawal threshold of $10 on the Boom live streaming app, and then when you try to withdraw your earnings, you saw this message. Is it the issue of invitation links not being constant, or you not being able to receive invitation rewards after you must have invited your friends to join the platform? This one surprised me the most. I just heard and I got some complaints from you guys that your Bstars are now being deducted or completely disappearing from your wallet without any reasonable explanation as to that. I am fully aware that a lot of you are already panicking at this point, especially because there are rumors being spread out there concerning this Boom live streaming app. Some of you already think that the app has crashed and your funds are gone and all sort of things like that. So in this video, let's just discuss all that is happening. I'll be discussing some possible solutions to some of the issues you're currently experiencing right now on the Boom live streaming app. What's the way forward? So I'm going to be telling you why all these are happening, what you guys must have done or must have been doing wrong that warranted this, and some important things you need to know about live streaming apps. I discovered that a lot of you are kind of new to live streaming apps. One thing you need to know is that every live streaming app has its rules that you have to follow as a host or a user of their platform, and if you do not follow this, if you violate any of their rules, you'll be punished for that. Secondly, Boom live streaming app is owned by someone and they are giving you an opportunity to make money. Okay, as they are giving you that opportunity to make money, it's also an avenue for them to make money as well. Of course, it's a business, so you don't come to their app, register as a user and try to like cheat them. Okay, they will lose, and once they find out that they are losing, they will change their policy. In fact, that is the reason for so many of the recent changes on Boom Life now. I know, and I remember when I registered as a new user on this platform 2 weeks ago, and many of you that took my update seriously when I introduced it to YouTube, it wasn't like this. In fact, everything was so sweet, and I already knew that someday all these things will change because it was too good to be true. In fact, that's why it's trending. They gave a very sweet offer or a very sweet opportunity, and then many of you decided to misuse it. Many of you are doing so many wrong things on the app. Don't you know that as you are coming up on the live stream app or registering as a new user, even though the essence of you registering is to make money in the first place, fine, you want to do your 2 hours daily tax and receive your reward, and then when you get your money you withdraw. Don't you know that you're expected to also purchase coins on the app? For those of you that are familiar with live streaming apps, you're supposed to, or you are expected to perform some other tasks on the app. So they realized that a lot of us are after the newbie bonus. Yes, some of you do not know what a newbie bonus is. This $1 you are earning every day on the Boom live streaming app, it's a bonus for you. Okay, when it gets to the 7th day, you will be given a lesser reward, because that's just like the ordinary host reward. Okay, so after your 7 days, you'll be given 0.2 cents, that's about 20 cents daily. Okay, so that's a new week bonus, 1 week bonus for you. So many people are after that, and you guys are trying to like cheat the system. Some of you are creating multiple accounts, some of you are live streaming with multiple accounts at the same time, and you expect them not to find out. They would know, and they already see that everybody is after the newbie bonus. So hence these recent changes. In fact, there are a lot of things that are not working on the platform. So I'm going to tell you what you're supposed to do. All right, if you're in any of the categories I mentioned earlier on in this video, your facial authentication is failing, you cannot withdraw, you no longer see your salary tax, probably you've successfully finished your facial authentication, and then you're expecting to see the salary tax that you receive $1 daily, all right, and you did not find it. I will leave links below in the description and the comment section of this particular video. It's a link to a form that you have to fill to show the issue that you're experiencing right now, so that they can sort it out from their end. All right, and I'm also going to leave the link to my community, because I feel so many of you don't still see these links I keep dropping in the pinned comments. The pinned comment is the first comment underneath this video. I drop the links there, I drop it in the description. You guys do not still see it. So if you can join my community. I will still forward these links there. There is a link for those who are having facial authentication issue. All right, there is also a link for those who can see their video task. Perhaps they've completed their leveling up, that's the host growth. You've increased your host growth to the required level 5 for females and level 10 for male, and then you started live streaming. You didn't even check your host growth task to see if it's there, and then when you finally finished your 2 hours, you then saw that your host growth task is not there. You are seeing other things. Fill the form below. Okay, fill the form below so they would sort it out for you. While I was recording this video, I decided to take a pause to check my phone. I saw that someone who was, she's in this category, she could not see a video task. Okay, she couldn't see a video task, so she filled the form. A video task has been returned to her. She can now get a $1 daily. So rush and then go and fill it so they can sort it out for you before the end of today or whenever they get your response. Now, if you're amongst those that you see that all of a sudden your Bstars were deducted from your account or your balance is totally empty, this was done as a result of the violations you must have, the rules you must have violated rather, because I sent host policy, I sent everything. So maybe you don't have the time to read. I understand why some are just basically lazy, they don't want to read anything. So all these rules, you're supposed to know them so you don't violate them unknowingly or unconsciously. That is why they deducted the Bstars from your wallet, and I don't think anything can be done about that. You violated one of their rules, so they've deducted it as a means or as a punishment, okay, for violating their rules. This is not the first live streaming app that is doing that. No other popular live streaming app does this as well. They will deduct your money. Some is even higher than what they deduct on Boom Live. So that's the reason for all this. You have to know all the rules so you don't violate them and you don't lose your money. For those of you that cannot withdraw, that saw the message that says the withdrawal system or channel is currently under maintenance, please be patient. Boom Live is going nowhere. Boom Live has not run away with your money. They have not crashed, okay? They will definitely pay your money. They will resolve this and then we can all continue with our withdrawals, okay? When you join Boom Live, apart from performing your video tax, you also need to buy coins. You also need to use those coins to increase your level, to play games, to send out treasure chests. There's so many activities you can use those coins to do, and that's what Boom Live wants. Not just for you to come and then you are after the reward they're going to give you for live streaming without making your live stream interesting. Lastly, before I go, if you are in my agency, you saw me on YouTube, you registered on Boom live streaming app, and then you did not join my agency group, the group that is designated for just my hosts, you are missing a lot because I cannot know you if you did not come to me. So I'll leave the link below. Join if you are under my agency so we can get to know one another, and then I can help you from therein. If you are new and you do not know the app we're talking about or how this app works, how you can make money on the platform, I'll leave the link to all the tutorial videos I've made about the platform. Please do well to watch those videos, and if you have questions, leave them in the YouTube comment below. I would respond to you as soon as possible. And I'm still yet to make more tutorial videos. I want to give you a video on how to become an agent for those who are interested in becoming an agent, and then another video explaining the difference between the level tax and the audio tax. So if you do not want to miss that video, do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you do not miss those videos when they come up live on YouTube. Don't forget to do all I've said you should do in today's video, and if you're still yet not clear about all I've said since or throughout this video, let me know in the comment section below. So that's basically it. I'm going to see you in the next lead tutorial video. Bye for now.